process when you use Google Read Along is to formulate groups for your students. These groups can be based on their reading levels and abilities, as well as your small group instruction. To create homogeneous groups, all you will need to do is go to People, scroll down to Students, and then toggle on the Group button. Once here, you can create your groups. To create your groups, you're going to go down here to the bottom. Sometimes it's hidden, and click on the button that says Create a Group. This is where you can name your group. If you already have established names for your classroom groups, it's best practice to use the same name here. So if our first name of the group are the Dolphins, that's a group name, and I know that these students are a part of the Dolphin group that I pull for small group instruction, then those students will be placed in that group. To create another group, I'll click on Create a Group, and then I'm going to add in my next group of students, and so on and so forth. So now I have two available groups here, my Dolphins and my Sharks. Each group has 3 students, and if I click on this arrow, I can see which students are a part of the group. Because groups show growth, if at any time I need to edit these students and place them in a different group, if I click on the 3 dots, I can click on the Edit Group button and remove students or add in students if needed. So I'm going to add in 2 more. And so now this group with the Dolphins has 5 students. Now to assign group work to those students, I will go back to classwork, click on Create, click on Assignment, name my assignment, give it brief instruction, and select my book. Remember, this is a homogeneous reading group, so they would be all reading within the same level or the same range. I'm going to go with a lifestyle level of 201 to 300, and I'm going to assign the books. We can do Fun with Rainbows at a 210. I'm going to sign it and attach it. It's going to bring me back into the classroom. And if I want to create a reading list for the week, maybe add in another story, I can attach as many stories here as I need to. I'm going to go back to that same Lexile level because, again, this is a homogeneous reading group. I'm going to pick a 220 this time, attach, and it's going to bring me back into my classroom once done. And then I'm going to click on the Assign button. When I click on the Assign button, it will assign it to those specific students. And again, Create, Assignment, Groups. I'll select which group, add in my book, once I add in my book and I click on Attach and then Done, it will take me back into my Google Classroom. I'll click Assign. It's been assigned to 5 students. Those 5 students belong to one group, and assign.